Hello follows. This video shares the top 5 best products you can sell to make more money. This is your professional sourcing agent SourcinBox. Let's go ahead. The first one is the portable blender. Videos of similar ones have attracted millions of attention on TikTok. The increasing popularity among health-conscious consumers, convenience for on-the-go lifestyles, and compact size enhance portability and storage. If you target customers' demand for easy, nutritious meal options, add this product to your offerings to boost sales for your dropshipping store now. These features can attract more consumers to your dropshipping business. Easy to carry, long battery life, and one-touch operation. Next, we get the mini handheld fan, which is a must-have for everyone on a hot day. Google search keeps steadily rising, indicating that the product has a potential market. The burning temperature this summer has caused a large demand for fans. The portable handheld fan keeps ranking high in Amazon bestsellers. Its compact and lightweight design makes it highly versatile, ideal for both home use and on-the-go scenarios. We highly recommend taking the last chances before the end of summer and sell this product. Of course, for dropshippers running business in the Southern Hemisphere, this product has great potential for the future summer as well. Stocking up now, you ensure you're well-positioned to meet immediate consumer needs. Low nose, long working hours, portable and lightweight design. The third one is the tablet stand pillow. This upgraded phone holder has gained millions of views on the internet. This product is designed to offer superior convenience and comfort compared to ordinary phone holders. The detachable bowl is perfect for holding snacks, making it easier and more enjoyable to watch videos or study. Its versatile functionality for both leisure and work makes it a valuable addition to your product list, boosting sales and enhancing customer satisfaction. These features help to differentiate your products from others and boost your profits. 360 adjustable, wide compatibility, portable and skin-friendly design. The fourth one is the Duffle Bag. As evident from Google Trends, the rising search interest in duffel bags highlights their popularity as an excellent sourcing choice. These bags combine functionality and durability, appealing to a wide market seeking quality gear for workouts and outdoor adventures. It caters to various niches, from fitness enthusiasts to business travelers. Even be used as a back-to-school bag for students, allowing you to target multiple customer segments with specialized products, making them a valuable addition to your product lineup. Waterproof material, large capacity, portable and aesthetic design. The last one is the air compressor tire inflator, which is the perfect gift for anyone with a car. This video about the product has gained millions of views on TikTok. The product offers quick and easy tire inflation, appealing to busy individuals who prefer efficient, at-home solutions over frequent trips to service stations. As an essential for vehicle maintenance, its convenience and practicality ensure steady demand. Send your sourcing request to SourcinBox now and import this product to your online store selling car accessories. You can always find a target group for this tire inflator. Quick inflation, easy to carry, wide application.